for you. It's one of my favorites just because you're going to have a lot of salsa moves in this one. You get to show off the hips, and I feel like I'm going to the tropics or I'm on vacation. So it just brings a smile to my face every time I do this one. It's very simple, so that would be a very beginner-friendly dance, but you're still going to have a great time doing it. You're going to have fun. Hopefully you'll smile, but you're still going to get a great workout doing it. So let's go and get into it, and then whenever you're ready, we can do it with the music. With this one, you are going to start out with actually the verse. You're going to have the chorus, verse 2, chorus. Verse 3 will be different, and then you go straight back into the chorus for the end, okay? So you're going to start out with the verse. Verse 1 and 2, they're the exact same, okay? So, sorry, excuse me. Okay, so verse 1, we're going to start out with salsa out for 4, and then you're going to squat for 4, okay? So you're going to salsa 1, 2, 3, and 4 hits. Okay, so you're probably like, slow that down for me. So just think about shifting your weight. So like you are just hips, 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 hips. Shift your weight, okay? Side to side. So when you do this salsa move, you should feel your weight shifting side to side, side. So chorus tight, squeezing your stomach. You're going to use those hips, 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 hips. Yes? Just practice it. You'll be fine, I promise. Okay, so we're going to salsa right, salsa left, salsa right, salsa left. Yes? Straight into that, you're going to squat 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, and the tempo is just like that, okay? You're going to do this 2 times in a row. So let's go ahead and do those 2 times, and then we'll move on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Remember, on those squats, you don't have a lot of them in this song, so whenever you do them, I want you to make sure you are getting low, and when you come up, squeeze the booty, okay? Moving on, you are going to pull, throw it up, okay? So what I'm saying is you're going to step out with a pull, okay? So we do this move a lot. Keep your core tight, keep your arm tight. You are pulling something, yes? So your elbow goes out, your core is tight, your arm is tight, okay? So you're going to pull, throw it up. Okay, so pull, throw it up, pull, throw it up, pull, throw it up, pull, throw it up, pull, pull. All right, so you got that. So when you're pulling, you're stepping, and then you stand, throw it up, pull, throw it up, pull, throw it up. Yes, pull, throw it up. All right, so you're only going to do that 1 time, but I just wanted you to get familiar with the moves. So we just did our salsa. Squat for 4 for 2 times. This is where that comes in. You're going to pull, throw it up, pull, throw it up. Step 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, pull, pull. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right? So you have this for 4 times, okay? So salsa out, squat down for 4. Salsa out, squat down for 4. You're going to pull, throw, throw, step, side to side. Again, step, throw, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to do it for 4 times, okay? That is your verse, okay? So, very simple moves. Now let's put it from the front, the top to the end of the verse. So that way, verse 1 and 2 is the complete same, okay? So let's do it from the top. And this will be a whole verse. 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to salsa. 2, 2, 8, 3, 4. Squat down for 4, 3, 2. Pull, throw it up. Pull, pull. pull, step side, hey, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more, hit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, pull, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can do anything you want with your arms. I just move them however I'm feeling that day. So just make it your own, okay? So that's the verse for verse 1 and 2. Let's go over the chorus. The chorus is always the same in this song, okay? So you're going to give me, remember, I feel like you're at the tropics, you're on vacation, so have fun with this, okay? So you're going to move your hips in a figure 8. I've had a lot of people ask me this, like, how do you do that? So you're basically just how I showed you the salsa. You're shifting that weight, shift, shift. You're doing the exact same thing, but think you are wanting your hips to be your pencil. And basically you are just making a 8 with your hips, okay? So you're going to start with that left leg, left side. So you're going to hips, hips, okay? So you're going to make it a figure 8. So you're going to go hip, out, okay? And you're going to step, turn, other side, hip, hip, step, turn, hips, hips, step, turn last time, hips, hips, step, turn. All right? So that's your chorus. Chorus is very simple. You just have 4 of those, okay? After verse 1 and chorus 1, you're going to give me 4 hip outs, okay? It's just that transition into the second verse. So you're just hips, hips. You can do your arms however you want, okay? So you're just breathing. This is your little just second breath right before you do it again. Second verse is the exact same as first. Then you're going to do a chorus. Third verse, I told you in the beginning, third verse is different. But it's easy because you're going to do the exact same move the whole time, okay? So you're going to down, shake, down, shake, down, shake, down, shake, okay? So when you're doing this, you're pushing your hip out, coming up, down, shake, down, shake, down, shake. So you're going to give me 8 of those, and then I'll say make them bigger. That's when I really want you to go full out. So the first one is just like, I got this. And then the second time, I want you to really go out, yes? And then after you do 16 total, then you're just going to go straight into that chorus again, and then it's done. Hopefully you have a good time doing this one. I absolutely love doing this dance. It makes me happy. Anytime you see me doing this dance, I will have a smile on my face. So if you are ready, do it with the music. If not, just go back and go over the moves. But I promise you, this is a one that you will catch on to very, very quickly. There's not a lot of moves in the dance, so that way it's easy for you to learn and to have fun with. All right, let's catch our breath, yes?
Shut down.
All right, we're going to salsa out, salsa out.
Smoking a cigarette, bud.
Slide down, 4.
Yeah. Oh no.
Salsa out, chord time. Get it.
Yeah.
Slide down. We're going to pull, throw it up. Pull, throw it up, step side to side. Hip. Step side to side. You're going to keep that going. Woo, come on. Keep it going. Hip. Hip. Rock. Step turn. Hip. Get it. Step turn. Hips in a figure 8. Hip. Step turn. Hip. Step turn. Hips out. Salsa out. Chord time. Slide down. I want you to get low in those legs. Yes. Salsa out. Hip. Slide down. Pull. Throw it up. Hip. Side to side. Breathe. Pull. This is fun if you are right here. Right here. Come on. Get it. Pull, throw it up. Hip. Get it.
me to, yeah,
Hip, figure eight,
Baby,
hip.
I ain't never letting
Step
you
turn.
till I get your love.
Get it, ayy.
Come on, baby, hold
Step
me
turn, yes, you gotta feel it.
your love.
Get it.
I ain't never letting
Step
you
turn.
till I get your love.
All right, we're gonna switch it up.
Hold me close.
Shake it.
Your love.
Shake. Hit. We're gonna keep going. Stay here, make it bigger. Let's go. Hit. Hit, get it. Hit. Rock.
I ain't never
Step turn.
till I get your
Other side. What?
Come on, baby.
Step turn. One more time. Rock. Get it. Step turn. One more time.
Come on, baby, hold me close. Let me get your love.
How y'all feeling?